Do you want to lose weight? The best way to lose weight in Photoshop is using Liquify. Just before that, make sure to just right click and convert it to a smart object. Then go to filter and click on Liquify. Here, by default, is going to be on forward warp tool. And I'm just going to explain one by one. For our scenario, I'm just going to zoom in a bit. We have something called here the pucker tool. All right, here, this one. All right, just click on it. Now, you can make this as small or larger. In this case, I want to make it a very large. Now just double click on it or hold it. So I'm just clicking and holding. All right. I don't want to make it too much because it should be natural. And with the legs. All right. All right. Now, let's try the first one, the forward warp tool. Click on it, and from this angle, I want to make it a bit smaller. I'm just gonna push it forward a bit, push it forward. All right, maybe a bit of the same pucker tool, maybe on the legs here, here, and here. All right. What about these parts and the other parts? Again, I'm trying the same thing, and I'm pushing a bit inside. I'm pushing a bit inside, and this is the best thing that we can do, I guess. Maybe this is going over, maybe this is, or I'm trying to make it a bit more fitter. So we have to be careful about these areas when we try to do this. All right, do you want to see before and after? I'm just gonna come down, click on the reconstruction, and you can see that the amount, I can just drag it to the left. It was before and this is after. And this was just with use of Liquify, and see how cool it is that you can play around with these legs to make it much better. That was just a sample. Maybe I can come here and use of this to make it a bit smaller. So don't try to mess a lot with it so you get confused, and it's going to be very difficult. Just the normal way of doing it. I'm trying to just to show you explaining, and so I'm just overdoing it. Now, when you're okay with it, just press OK. You see before and after? How cool is that? Look. Let's try the other one. So most of the time we use this for face as well. So make sure right click, convert to a smart object. Again, go to filter and click on Liquify. Now, there's a lot of things we can do. Just put it on face tool and see what's gonna happen. We have something here. If you put your mouse here, you can drag these things and you can play around with it until you get something that you like. Maybe you want the face to be more wide, and here you go, the bottom lip, the top one. And also if you want to rotate it, you can make it angry or you can make it smilish, whatever you want. About the eyes, very cool. Big, small, big, small, and even here from the side, from the width, and even the rotation. And here, this one as well, in the forehead. So all of this can be controlled here, guys. Look on the side, left and right. So we can just keep it the same size. Look, eye height. So this is just for explanation. So eye width, tilt, and eye distance. It's good for comic book, you know, this one especially. Right, nose height, check this out. Or you can just put your mouse here and just drag it down, or you can make it smaller, or you can make it larger. and hit the mouse as well. Smile, upper lip, lower lip, mouse width. So you get the idea. The controls are here as well, so you can do whatever you want here. The face, the forehead, and the chin height. It's kind of getting scary. So don't overdo it, guys. Just try to learn what we can do with it. And there's a lot actually, and it's going to be very interesting. You just press OK. Let's see what happens. So now you know how to use Liquify to changing the face expressions, and also to just losing weight, adding some weight, and do a lot of stuff. You just have to play around with it, and there's a lot of things we can do with it. So especially, and most of the time, we use it for this kind of scenarios. So make sure to do some practice and download the images. When you're really good at it, you can go to the next lesson.